Atenuna ko South Africa Accreditation System nesi Ekeun Adoketait na Aboisit na Inwakere kadekisa na polo naka osoroti kitoni na kwana epedorea ainwaka adekasine odocho kakwapukere. Alomunete nu akaulo na ipiriotini lu angaleu aisisia unujokani ebe akironu elomunete kedaun ainwak adekasine kwa penatit eseny midi ka elwera keja cheda ngesi erai nu abeiti chut merenu esabet.
It is in the interest of government that all laboratories should be accredited. This is one of the strategies of government agenda. So we are happy that we have fulfilled this agenda. Precisely the tests you do, the results must be recognized. It means if you are tested here, you go with this result to Zambia, then they will say this was tested in Soroti. This is a genuine, accepted result.
Etupa kitose noda akaulo na adukio na Aboisit na Inwakere itunga kadekisa na polon na kwa na ejasi achoma na nu ibecho kina ainwak koma mene buinikin nuengi chuno edown ainwaka itunganan.
As a hospital, we have not had accreditation for all the tests. It's actually for 7 tests that have been accredited. We have HIV tests. They call it early infant diagnosis. We have tests for bacteria using microscope. They call it gram staining. We also have tests for these viruses which cause cancer cervix, human papillomavirus. We also have tests for hepatitis. So this puts our hospital on the global map. But above all, it means the patients get quality results.
Apiriotiti na emisi kiniti iboro lu abeit beti alum ngesi ejeni ibore ekeunere Adoketait kech.
We appreciate the current administration in place. We started this milestone in 2017, but the support was low. So, but we didn't give up. With the team, we kept on saying, let's try. Time will come, and surely today the time has come, and we have been recommended for accreditation.
Murokolo gela kesi apotu itacha kisi tunga eiponelo iswamatar acho mananu.
You can see that this is a chemistry machine that we have in this laboratory.
This is name. We use this machine to test the chemicals in the body that cause that swelling of the leg. Those are hormones. That's what the machine is used for.
Yes, actually. This one is another chemistry machine. If you have a problem with your liver or with your kidneys, this is the machine that will tell us whether your kidney is working well or your liver is not working well. We can see our CBC machine. This is the machine that tests whether your blood level is high or low or normal. This machine does the CD4 count mostly on people who are HIV positive. This machine looks at the hemoglobin level of blood.
Kanuka TV East Solomon Ramu Koibuga Soroti.